Do you think that your academic curriculum is more than enough to build a successful dental practice? And I'm sure your answer is not, because there are many more skills which are required than just your clinical skills if you want to run a successful dental practice. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 things which they should but they never teach you in a dental college. Hi, this is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi, international speaker, bestseller author, and your practice growth expert. And in fact, towards the end of this video, if you stay here with me till the end, I'm going to give you a very nice gift as well. So stay tuned, listen to this video, take lots of notes, and ensure that you start applying and start focusing on these things right from the next moment after you watch this video. So what are the 5 things which they do not teach you in the dental schools? The first is the entrepreneurship or the business skills. Remember, when you start your private practice, it is not just that you are going to treat the patient, but you are going to run the show. It's an enterprise. It's an entity where you need to manage it as well. So it's not that the patient is going to come and you are directly going to start the treatment. You need to talk to patient, you need to convince the patient, you need to manage your clinic, you need to manage your staff, you need to manage your appointments, payments, inventories, and whatnot. So running a dental practice is like running an enterprise. And when it comes to running, any business entity, you need to have the management skills and the entrepreneurship skills. Unfortunately, it is not part of our dental curriculum. And therefore, management skill is something which you must learn. The second thing which they do not teach you and is extremely important, and that is patient consultation. Remember, no matter how good dentist or clinician you are, no matter how good clinical skills you have, what kind of equipment and instruments and the facility you provide to the patient, unless the patient say yes to your treatment, you cannot treat the patient. And what are the factors, what is most important when it comes to patient saying yes to your treatment plan? And that is, you need to have that connect. You need to have that rapport building. You need to have that patient convincing skills which will help you to convince the patient for any treatment you want to do. Remember, one of the biggest challenges when it comes to dentistry is not a compulsory thing. None of the dental treatments except the pain relief is compulsory. Patient can always postpone the treatment. Patient can always get some temporary relief. Dentistry is an elective science. It's not compulsory. So it becomes even more important that you have very good patient consultation skills so that patient accept your treatment plan and say yes, and you can show your clinical skills to the patient. That's why patient consultation is extremely important. The third thing which they do not teach you is marketing. Now see, the moment it comes to marketing, we think that marketing is not correct, or doctors should not do marketing, or is marketing ethical? But I'll tell you what, yes it is. And there are different ways of marketing. I'm going to make a separate video on the same YouTube channel on marketing, and I want you to watch that video. What are the different types of marketing? What are the different reasons why you do marketing and the functions for which the marketing is done? And unfortunately, the only thing we know is how to treat a patient. We don't know different aspects, different areas where you can do offline marketing, your online marketing. You don't know how to create a strong digital presence. You don't know the importance of website, how to do that SEO, the search engine optimization, and whatnot. There is so much which is changing literally on day-to-day basis in the online world. And marketing is a very important thing, because unless you do marketing, people in your locality, in your area will not come to know that you even exist. If Companies like Coke and Amazon and BMWs and Mercedes do marketing. Think about it. Don't you think it is important for a dentist? So marketing is something which is not taught to you and which is a skill which you must learn. The fourth important thing is finances. Remember, doctors normally are not very good money managers. And it's not just about managing your money, the receipt, the payments, the expenses and overheads, everything. In fact, I have seen so many youngsters who start their dental practice without even budgeting the funds or without even proper money allocation. And if you cannot allocate the money properly, for interior, for equipment, for marketing purpose, for your inauguration, and then when you start functioning in your practice for the ongoing expenses, the fixed expenses, the working capital, the overheads, lot of calculations which unfortunately are never taught to us. In fact, in one of the surveys I have read that doctors are very bad money managers. So financial literacy is something which is extremely important for you to learn and which unfortunately is not taught in the dental school. And the fifth and the most important thing, and I told you in the beginning, I promised you that if you stay with me till the end, I'm going to give you a very nice gift towards the end of this video. The fifth thing, and why I have actually deliberately kept it to the last, in fact it is the first thing, and that particular thing is how to start a dental practice. What are the different elements, what are the different areas on which you need to focus if you want to start your dental practice? How to select the name of your clinic? What should be the logo? How to design that logo? What is the importance of tagline, the color combination? How to select your location? What should be the area of your clinic? How many minimum number of chairs you should have? Which are the different equipment which you must have? Then the list of equipment which you may have, and so much. The different marketing elements, the online platforms which you should have right from the beginning, the different skill sets which are required, what kind of staff you should have right from day one, how to select that staff, how to take the interview, the importance of record keeping, how to maintain that record. There is so much which is required right from day one, and in fact before you start your practicing. And that is never taught to us. So the 5 things which are important, I'll just summarize the 5 things and then give you that gift. The first thing which they don't teach you in the dental college, but you learn, is the entrepreneurship or the management skills. The second thing is patient consultation. Because dentistry is elective, patient consultation is extremely important. The third thing is marketing skills. The fourth thing is financial literacy. And the fifth thing, everything which you need to start and run a dental practice. And here is a gift for you. If you are not part of my community, my coaching system, I have created a very powerful free course. Yes, it is free course on how to start a dental practice. And the name is Practice Startup Formula. So below in the description, below this video, you will find the link to register for that course. It's a pre-recorded 10 videos, around 3 hours of very powerful content where I have answered lots of things about what exactly you need to work upon, the different focus areas as you start your practice. So before and then after starting your practice. So use that link to get this small complimentary gift from my side. Sign up for that link and you will get that course free of cost in your email inbox. So enjoy that course. Remember, you need to learn these 5 things if you really want to take your practice to the next level as you start practicing in your dentistry. Okay, in order to become successful dentists, there are skills which are required to learn, not just the clinical skills. Work on that and put your comment in the comment box. What all are the topics which you think I should make videos on? And I'll keep on making a lot of videos depending upon your comments. What do you want to learn? What do you want to know more to build your successful dental practice? This is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi signing off as of now, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.